teachers, staff members, colleagues, the invited guests, particularly the chief guest of today, and representatives from the press, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all today to the 100th Foundation Day. I am truly delighted to be standing before you on the 100th Foundation Day of this university and looking forward for the future 100 years which this university will be seeing and the next 100 years after that. It's a rare honor and privilege to be leading an institution that is completing 100 years of its existence today. As the first woman Vice Chancellor of this great institution, I feel greatly humbled and honored. It was not easy for me to come here and to perform it the way, if I had not got the support of my teachers, my students, and everybody, including the government. Everybody helped in this journey. And Jamia's journey over the past 100 years have enabled it to emerge as a leading temple of learning in the nation. The institution today holds the torch of illumination, giving shape to ideas and fostering innovation. Living up to the promises of the founding fathers, we strive to realize our vision. Our vision is to create a human universe that offers inclusiveness, equity, fellowship, justice, and peace for one and all. So we continue to serve the nation through quality teaching and quality research through production of competent, skilled, and sensitive human beings, and we are making endeavors to become a world-class teaching research university by bringing in the best national and international practices through the development of collaborative partnership with institutions of excellence both domestically and internationally. It's important that you collaborate with people who are better than you to learn from them, and it's always necessary to collaborate with people who are not so good but you can be their mentor. We offer cutting-edge learning experience, globally benchmarked education, intellectual freedom, and critical research opportunities in frontier areas of contemporary concerns. As the first woman Vice Chancellor, I also carry the unarticulated aspiration of women and girl students. I am committed, and among all things, it brings affirmative action for girl students, and another thing which is near to my heart is the general health care for everyone.